My name is Wong Hwee. I'm with Giesecke and Devrient. I'm head of target costing management. I think the biggest change for our industries is really commoditization. It used to be that 20 years ago, the business we are in, I'm in the business of a smart card, the mobile phone GSM SIM card and the credit cards. It used to be commanding a form of premium, but I think the last at least 3 to 5 years, the commoditization is coming very fast. And I think there are a lot of competitors coming from the China markets. And we are really, it's a really razor-thin profit we're talking about here. So I think that's the biggest significant change for our business. Yeah. I think the biggest challenge because of this commoditization, I think companies will have to adopt a different approach in looking at their cost. I think the traditional way of doing the costing, traditional costing management, where you produce a product, you add a profit and try to sell, it no longer happens now. I think now we have to take a more holistic view of understanding the market and then have a defined target profit, and then you set a target cost. I think that was actually the keynote of my speech, target costing management, where the focus is how to achieve your target cost that you set rather than to stack up a cost and try to sell a price that you're trying to sell in the market. The commoditizations will continue to happen. The other thing that is significantly changing is technology. Technology is driving that there is no longer perhaps even the need to have a mobile phone GSM SIM card. They're actually embedding it into the mobile phone. I think technologically it is enabled, it is possible, but I think there are still some challenges, regulatory challenges that are not happening now. I mean, we actually are having these opportunities to have a mobile phone, a smartphone that has all the features of a SIM card. But the telcos, from a telco's point of view, they still want to own the subscribers, so they still prefer to sell a SIM card. So I think it will be a very interesting space for the next 3 to 5 years to see how this is evolving and changing. From a product point of view, the form factor will change, and also from a supply chain point of view, the supplier will have to sort of collaborate and co-op together, to try to achieve a certain target cost. It no longer can do in a very silo manner. So far, the event has been pretty interesting. I mean, the speech so far has been pretty interesting. I've attended yesterday and today, so there's a lot of learnings and a lot of takeaways.